Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are well. Welcome to our today's class. Students, do you tell me what is resource? Yes, students. In nature, which element have the ability to fulfill our need? That is called resource. Is it, students? Yes. In economy, any elements are not the resource. Only which element has economic value, or which element has some demand in the society, or which element is the ability to fulfill our demand, that elements are called resource. In economy, oxygen are not a resource. Why oxygen are not a resource? Because oxygen has the ability to fulfill our demand. But why oxygen is not a resource in economy? Because oxygen's demand is not limited. Oxygen supply is not limited than the demand. That's why oxygen is not called a resource in economy. So which elements are the resource in economy? In economy, resource are that element which resource has the limited supply than the demand. Resource has two types: natural resource and man-made resource. Today we will discuss about the natural resource of Bangladesh. Do you tell me what is the natural resources? Yes, students, which elements or which resources are getting from the nature? Direct get from the nature, that resources are called natural resource. Like some natural resource like soil, rivers, mine resource, that's are the natural resource. Soil is a very important important soil natural resource. Many types of soil are there in the nature. Soil in the inside of the river, soil in a plain land, and soil in a mountain. All categories of the soil are not same, but all soils are very much important for the nature. After that, the rivers. Bangladesh is a riverine country, we know, and river has many kinds of natural resources. River has water, and river has many types of fishes, or many types of plants also, and they live in the river. So river has also many types of natural resources. After that, mine resources. Mine resources are that resource which resource are set under the earth. That is called mine resource. Which resource are stay under the earth? Like coal, gases, natural gases. That resources are stay under the earth. That is called mine resource. And we know Bangladesh has the many types of mine resource. After that, forest resource. Which resources are getting from the forest? Like wood and many types of leaves, many types, and we get honey from the forest. We get many types of animals, birds, that also we get from the forest, but that resources are not count at the forest resource. Only the trees and woods are the count as a forest resource. Every country should have 25% forest resource, but unluckily Bangladesh has only 60% forest resource. So we should plant more and more trees. After that, fish resources. All types of fish are we get from the nature. That means fishes are also the natural resources, and fishes are fulfill our food demand, and we also export many fishes to the abroad. After that, animal resource. Maximum animals are stay in the forest, and some domestic animals are stay in the household area. That all animals are the animal resource. Many animals are protect our nature, and many animals are using for our meeting demand of food. And many animals are using for the cultivation also. After that, marine resource or sea resources, which resources we get from the sea or get from the sea area, that is called sea resource. We know we have a big Bay of Bengal, and Bay of Bengal has many types of natural resource. From Bay of Bengal, not only we get fishes, but also we get many types of mine resource also, and we have 3 coast guard, and our all coastal areas are the used as a visiting area, and many foreign people, and also we also go to for the visit our coastal area. All resources around the sea that they called are the marine resource. Bangladesh has many types of natural resource. Many countries has many types of natural resource, but which countries are developed with this type of natural resource? That countries are developed which country utilize their natural resource properly and a planned way. If we cannot use that resources in proper way or a planned way, we cannot get the development. If we want to get the development, we obviously make a plan for the utilizing this type of natural resources. When we utilize our natural resource in a planned way, that time we get the development of any country. Like that, the role of the natural resources in socio-economic development of any country like Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, when we get proper planning about the natural resource, that time we can develop our country. After that, when we take a plan for utilizing natural resource, that time our production also increase, and when our production increase, that time we create many new employment. After that, our natural resource can, when we utilize in planned way, meeting the demand of balanced food or balanced diet. And we can provide the irrigation facilities from our water resource, and obviously it in a planned way. Our trade can be expanded. When our natural resource is properly utilized, our industrial area will be increased, and when our industry is increased, that time our trade will be expanded. Our forest resource, when we utilize our forest resources properly, that time our forest resources can be used for making furniture Our forest resources are made our environment very cool, and they increase our level of oxygen and decrease the level of carbon dioxide. For in this way, this type of natural resource can play a big role to the development of any country. That's all for today's students. I hope you all are understand about today's discussed topic. Obviously you read the book thoroughly, and you will solve the worksheet which is given in your website. And thank you very much, students.